If you want to take your presentation, however you define your presentation, to the next level, I recommend we take your words and put them under the magnifying glass. Take a closer look. If you were going to say, Fripp, I'm a fairly seasoned speaker, how do I get better? You take a real, live, delivered to an audience, unedited presentation, and you have it transcribed. And you look at your words in black and white, a sentence at a time. And you look at your word choices, you look at how often you use the I, you find all your own repetitive phrases and sentences, which we all have, and you highlight them in different colors. So you can look at your script, color by technicolor, and look at the areas to improve. What would it mean to you, your career, your company, if every time you stood up in front of 5, 50, or 500, in a boardroom, training center, or convention hall, if you were confident, you were powerful, persuasive, professional, compelling on message, and a resounding success? If you want to accelerate your career, transform sales results, develop leadership skills, or even become an in-demand, highly paid professional speaker, then Fripp Virtual Training is designed for you. FrippVT Powerful Persuasive Presentations is my highly interactive, learn-at-your-own-pace virtual training around all area of presentations. It is almost as if I am there, sitting next to you, helping. Fripp Virtual Training is a multi-million-dollar, state-of-the-art, web-based training platform. It is designed to closely emulate personal training and coaching. It's almost as if I am sitting with you 24/7 as your own personal speech coach and sales trainer. Sign up now, take a free trial, and experience 3 of our content-rich chapters. Then join and take advantage of my 30-plus years experience and in-depth study. Make the commitment to your career. Reap the benefits of FrippVT by making it a consistent part of your personal development. You'll be glad you did.